here. Excellent. We don't have much time. This... Excellent, we don't have much time. This is the Astral Ring. It has more power than you can imagine, and Dormammu will do anything to get it. Now, we gotta hide this ring from Dormammu before he finds it. And for that, I need a powerful relic from the Cabinet of Caballeros. This cabinet serves as a vault for the most powerful relics of all time. The Wand of Watum and the Axe of Angarumus have at one time or another been hidden within. We need the Cloth of Concealment. This cloth will hide the ring from Dormammu. However, the Astral Ring has a mind of its own and must be contained before it finds its way back to the Dark Dimension. The Astral Ring is capable of traveling through many dimensions. That's not good. No. Oh, I have to go back in time and recover the Astral Ring. You just stay there. I'll be back 5 minutes ago. Excellent. We don't have much time. This is the Astral Ring. It has more power than you can imagine, and Dormammu will do anything to get it. Now, we need to hide it someplace where Dormammu can't find it. And for that, I need a powerful relic from the Cabinet of... That's right. Let's try something else. This time, we'll alter the ring's molecular structure and transform it so Dormammu can't recognize it. Bring me Balam's box of transformation. This will allow me to manipulate the fabric of the ring's reality. By the power of Balam, Hunk, Anulum, transform. Not enough. It won't be long before Dormammu realizes what we've done, which might lead him here to this ancient sanctum. Now, I must harness spectral energy and create a spectral shield to protect this campus, ourselves, and the Astral Ring. Now, to create a spectral shield, we need the spectral staff. And where the staff is, I can't say. Only the Soulseeker can help us navigate to the staff now. Come now, my old friend. I need your help. The Soulseeker has guided many great heroes throughout the history of the multiverse. However, her true motives are as mysterious as the dark dimension itself. She senses great mystical potential among you. Interesting. We don't have time for games, old friend. She wishes to see you closer. That's close enough. Oh, she wishes for all of you to name the hero that we seek. Let's narrow it down. I didn't ask for opinions. Could it be an eternal? No. What about a guardian of the galaxy? Oh, of course not. Sorry, little one, not Mantis. How about an Avenger? Yes, we seek an Avenger. Everyone, quickly we must assist the Soulseeker by conjuring the image of an Avenger in our minds. When you have it, raise your hand. Interesting. Yes, you. Spider-Man? Let's see. Will Spider-Man lead us to the spectral staff? No, but thank you. Yes, you. Iron Man. Will Iron Man lead us to this? No, apparently not. We don't have all day, friend. Please pick someone who knows. Yes, you. Thor? Are you positive? It seems pretty confident as well, but okay. Let's see. Will Thor lead us to the spectral Oh! Yes. It is Thor. Of course. The god of thunder and the prince of Asgard. Why didn't I think of that? Oh! Now, once again, you've nobly fulfilled your purpose. Now go back to sleep. I say go back to sleep. Sleepy time! By the power of the Vishant, bring me the Son of Odin.
So, what is this, wizard school for gifted youngsters?
No. Where's the staff?
Wasted potential. Sorry, what?
Where's the staff?
What staff?
The spectral staff.
Special staff? I don't know what that is.
Spectral staff.
Oh, spectral staff.
Yes.
No, I don't know what that is.
I wish I could say I was surprised. No, it's the staff that we need to protect the sanctum from Dormammu.
Okay.
It's our last resort, and you have no idea.
You can't just do it yourself?
We all need help sometimes, don't we? Anyways, you come with a hammer and a You, Asgardian... Oh, give me this.
No, that's my coping mechanism. You can't just... Get your own.
Oh, man.
Well, I'm going to keep this coping mechanism for a second, but you can head over to Pim's. I hear they have even larger ones.
Okay, yeah, keep it. Bye.
Easy enough. The Urn of Undor. Of course. No. join Oshter's stone with the urn of Undor. That should work. By the shield of Seraphim. The spectral staff. Dormammu is upon us. Everyone quickly harness your energies like this. Now repeat this spell. By the power of the Vishanti. We create the spectral shield.
We create the spectral shield.
Some of you think this is optional. Engage the core. Great. Now, again, and everyone, I need more from each of you as well. By the power of the Vishanti, we create the spectral shield.
We create the spectral shield.
Good, now say it with me and put it together, okay? By the power of the Vishanti, we create the spectral shield. By the power of the Vishanti, we create the spectral shield. By the power of the Vishanti, we create the spectral shield to protect this campus, ourselves, and the Astral Ring. Well done. You've protected this ancient sanctum. Yes, woo! Our reality is safe because of you. And apparently each of you possesses great potential in the mystic arts. Even you. Thank you. I know. Now carry on in your journey knowing that you have helped the Avengers more than they will ever know. There's much work to do in so little time. May the all-seeing eye of Agamotto guide you safely. Farewell. For now.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel, Filipino Lakwacheros, featuring California. Thank you.